y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to another video, man. It's 7:15 in the morning. I know I ain't been dropping no vlog, so I figured I'd give y'all a track vlog or whatever, give y'all something to look at. Since, you know, I ain't been messing with the cars and it been raining, and I've been getting ready to go lights out, and that's where I'm headed now, to Valdosta, Georgia. Man, woke up at 6 this morning. I'm gassing up now. I was gonna vlog out there in the better lighting, but it's real windy and stuff, so I'm on the phone. This vlog call, I'm be using my big camera to film on the track, obviously, so I gotta say that better. Finna be a lot of race, so man, I'm about to hit this road, man. It's a 3-hour drive from me, and I'll see y'all at the track. Alright, y'all, so I just made it to Valdosta, lights out. Y'all gotta excuse the wind noise, it's real wind out here. So there's a lot of cars in here already. I'm gonna try to walk around later and catch some of the cars for y'all, whatever, make an exciting vlog. But right now, I gotta get to the track, cause y'all know, hey, this junk be costing, so I gotta make the most of my trip. So I'm gonna get on the track, man. I might catch a little track footage on this vlog for y'all. But just stay tuned, man. I gotta make that country mile. Gotta walk that country mile, get up there, and we're gonna get it in. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the staging lanes. Again, showing y'all some of the cars where I got some downtime. So y'all see, we got a nice Mustang, a lot of booster stuff. Got more. What up? Got Ryan McCain on there. That's big dog. That's Bowser, y'all. He do all the tuning stuff. Got Leo. I actually just put this on Instagram not too long ago. We got John Doc. We got John Doc over there.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
It's a bad ride right there. Like I said, I just did a video of this on my Instagram. And we got Jimbo. Like I said, we got the LS Nasty crew in here. So everybody up in here. Getting down, we got Nemesis. It's a no time class, so y'all know they're right up my alley right here. This is what we film right here. So y'all probably seen all these cars before on my channel. So again, y'all look, some of y'all ain't even subscribed to that channel. Y'all just know me from a vlog channel, but go check out my main channel, J Malcolm 2004, and y'all can see a lot of these. Cause like I said, I done filmed most of them before. That's a bad ride right there too. That vet is a bad ride. So, but yeah, y'all, I'm just getting y'all a quick look. They prepping the track. Then we're gonna get back to it with the camera. So I hope y'all enjoying the vlog. Just getting y'all something to watch. Since I ain't gonna be messing with my cars till I get back. I'm gonna be down here about 3 days. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all see DJ, this DJ. He the driver Bowser, man. It's bad, man. So he's getting a little interview on right now. So hey, look, y'all need to start tuning into the real races. Some of y'all do, some of y'all don't. Excuse the wind noise too, but if y'all into the big rims, y'all need to get into there too, but that's it. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Go down in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we in the stage lanes again. I got another break. And y'all on the vlog. I got Radio vs. the World. Y'all see some of the cars in here. We still getting it in. Man, I might throw some clips on the vlog where y'all can see a little bit of racing, but y'all pretty much gonna have to slide over to the main channel, J Malcolm 2004. Most of y'all already know that, but if you don't, just slide over there. Y'all can see all of this. It'll probably be all week. I'll probably be putting this stuff for 2 weeks straight over there because so much stuff. But yep, they got them coming up, baddie class of the event. So they doing their second round of qualifying. And man, that Camaro is so clean. The thing is so clean, y'all. So we got it. They about to go down, so we're gonna catch all of that. and I'll check in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm back at the hotel. I've been here probably about 2 hours, something like that. It started raining, man, so it was a short vlog. I couldn't get as much as I wanted, but it's all good, man. You know, I want to give y'all something, cause it been 3 or 4 days. I ain't dropped no vlog, man, but it been raining. It ain't nothing going on. I gotta give y'all an update on the Camaro. I might well get that to y'all now. The Camaro is broken. The transmission, man, I killed the transmission. When I did them ride reactions, that day I did them back-to-back ride reactions, man, I killed the transmission. Like the reverse gone. Still shield firm and everything. The reverse gone, but we got it out. Well, Unc got it out. He called me this morning. He said he got the transmission out already. So I'm about to get it over to DJ over at Showtime Transmission Rebuilds. Y'all know his number in the description of every video. And we about to step it up and put some better stuff in it. I want to take the transmission out anyway and get it just checked out before the season started, before I start really beating on it and putting them radios on it. I want to just have it checked out, let DJ open it up anyway. So now I gotta open it up. So hey, it's all good. I went tripping. Like I said, we moving quick. It's already out the car. The torque on the car, which serves no purpose right now because we had to take transmission out. The box Chevy coming. I gotta get y'all some more content, man. Like I said, I've been scrambling this week for this right here. I'm at Lights Out. I'm currently in Valdosta, Georgia. It's Thursday. Y'all looking at this video on Friday. And right now I'm at the track. If you looking at this video, I'm at the track right now. So let me see what else. I switch arms, man. My arm getting tired, man. Ain't got my little stand or none of that. But what else? I think that's about it, man. I might be buying another car, man. I might get another car. Cause see, when this happen, I like to have another ride to keep the content coming for y'all or whatever and keep something going. I was looking at buying a G-body, but I was originally gonna wait until I got the box finished. But I might go ahead and pick up a G-body, a running car, man. Not nothing else I gotta put together, cause then I'd be in the same boat. Cause like sometimes this happens, you know. I got both of my cars down right now. I really can't shoot no content. I gotta wait on the Camaro transmission get done, but it happens. The box getting put together, so I might go ahead and get another get a G-body to have 3 cars in rotation and keep content coming and just, you know, fiddle with all 3 of them. But what else? That's about it. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Check out all my fam's channel and everything too. Look Crazy Whips Addiction. I'm tired, man. With Blue Cutlass, then my cousin, y'all check him out. Subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my wife's channel, Days with Kendra. My boy K-Rain, K-R-A-I-N. It's all together. Kyle, he got the Turbo F body. My boy Don't Panic, Slick Rick, with the Monte Carlo, y'all check him out. Don't Panic Customs LLC. My boy Brady, y'all know he gonna be painting my wife's car and my car. My boy Flex, Another Day with Flex. He got the Crown Vic on 30s. And man, Joe Buddy Racing, my aunt. Y'all make sure you go subscribe to all them. And man, we about to do some amazing things. All I can say, man, I got a private track rental coming. When I get everything running, I'm gonna have all my cars there. And hey, it's a lot of stuff on the way. That's all I can say, man. I got big rim stuff on the way. And with the big rim stuff, man, like, look, this channel, I like big rim and small tire stuff, man. I like racing. I'm a real racer. I come from big rim game, though. They were crazy. I started out in the big rim game. That's where I come from. That's why I always got a love for it. But you're going to be seeing both, a little bit of both on here. So if you're not a fan of big rim stuff, man, learn to love the culture and see it for what it's worth. You know, you might become a fan of it, you know what I'm saying? And if you into big rim stuff and you wasn't into straight racing, learn to get into that, cause it all go hand in hand. These big rim racing, they putting real motors in these cars now, real deal motors. Some on race cars, keep it real, which some on just dressed up race cars. They ain't even street cars. So if you really want to get into the game, it like they go hand in hand, man. You just learn a little bit of both. I mean, you know, big rim stuff it's becoming a wave, man, and I'm probably gonna get into it. I'm probably gonna actually get into racing. That's a whole nother video, but it's a whole nother wave, like, cause they people are seriously building race cars and dressing them up like a regular big rim cruiser. You know what I'm saying? Like a car you just drive every day, but they really race cars. They just dressed up, and I believe that's where the game about to go. It's about to be like another class of race. It's gonna be race cars, but you got to put big rims. There's gonna be like you got 28s, you got 26-inch tires, you got 315s, you got 29-inch, you got the big tire class, and then you finna have the big rim class. You know what I'm saying? So this where it's going. So basically, you're gonna have people putting race cars together, putting the rims on, making them pretty, and racing. You know, and tuning and making racing cars. That's what's going on right now. So I don't know, man. I gotta talk to y'all about it a lot, man. It's a lot of stuff about to happen. Like I said, I'm looking at buying a G body. I'm probably gonna go ahead and snap one. Like I'm talking about ASAP, like soon. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the little short video, man. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.